What will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute? Did you know that holding a single 60-second plank can wake up over 20 muscles at the same time? Your abs, glutes, back, shoulders, even the tiny stabilizers around your spine? That 1 minute is like a full-body alarm clock. Your core tightens, your posture straightens, and your heart gets a quick boost as it pumps blood to keep everything steady. Do that every day, and the benefits start stacking. Less back pain, stronger balance, faster metabolism, and a surprising bump in your daily calorie burn. So grab a mat, set a timer for 60 seconds, and see just how much change you can spark with one small habit. Let's dive in. 1. Rock-solid core strength. When you hold a plank, your side ab muscles work almost 80% of their full strength, more than they do in a typical crunch. A stronger core stabilizes your spine and protects against lifting injuries. 2. Less back pain, better posture. Everyday planking builds the deeper transverse abdominal muscles that support your lower back, easing chronic pain. Strong core plus shoulders pulled down improves alignment and posture. 3. Healthy blood pressure boost. Isometric moves like planks can lower systolic blood pressure when performed regularly. More efficient blood flow equals lighter load on your heart over time. 4. Faster metabolism and calorie burn. Because planks recruit multiple large muscle groups at once, they give a small but measurable metabolic uptick, even at rest. 1 minute sets throughout the day keep that furnace stoked. 5. Mood and stress relief. Isometric holds release endorphins and can reduce stress markers, improving mood and mental clarity. Guinness record planker Donna Jean Wild swears by deep breathing to stay calm, and science backs her up. Feeling motivated? Like if you'll try the 1 minute a day plank challenge and comment "I'm in" so we can cheer you on. Subscribe for more body and heart hacks and share this with a friend who loves quick wins.